This is a sign to go on a trip with the boys.
Is there a cure?
You can't come in. You stay outside. You can't call me in. You stay outside.
So, yeah, here it is, guys. This is our trip to the Big Island. Me and part of the crew decided to take a weekend off and just, go for a trip. So yeah, here I am rambling because honestly, this trip didn't go as planned. We decided to go when a big storm came to Hawaii, and on the Big Island there was even a blizzard warning. So pretty nuts. Rainy days, cloudy, but we still went for it. All right. Currently in the process of editing a video, and then Jackson and Kobe went surfing. Anyways, so while I was boring doing editing so I could get this video finished before I get too busy, Jackson took my GoPro out surfing. So hopefully he got shots. Let's see how that turned out. Peace. So yeah, day one in the Big Island was actually the only partly sunny day. Kind of enjoyed the first day, didn't do much, just checked around, but we were still missing one more person. So we had to go pick her up from the airport. So let's go. Hey!
Hello, baby girl.
It's cold. Yes. Where are we?
Rainbow Falls.
Wait, say louder.
Rainbow Falls. So we took about 3 hours driving. Where are we going? South? Southeast. And to go get Costco. Bang! 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 Oh! Where are we going?
I don't know.
Does it matter? No, it does not.
We met some night blind, I couldn't see your face, but I knew you were looking at me.
Good morning. How's the weather? Weather check.
It's better than yesterday. You see some clouds.
Although we were
It's a little blue.
So we were supposed to get a storm, but it's like
We're gonna storm chase, but storm didn't want us to chase it.
Go light, I'll go light if I got you, babe.
Trying to get a shot, and they drove off all the way over there and left me stranded. Wait, can you see me? Left me stranded over here. I'm by myself, walking by myself. Oop, there's a car coming.
I know you're inside out, only skin between us now. No need to lock our door, nothing scares us anymore. There's nothing left to find out.
It's storming.
Yeah, so the storm officially hit. So instead of, look at this fit I got going on.
Llamas.
It's all on his clothes. So basically, storming outside, flash floods. Top of the mountain right now is obliterated, but we're going to try to find a waterfall.
They said we'd never lay. If I go dark, you go dark. If you go light, I'll go light. If I got you, babe, I'll get through, babe. If you start to drown, I'll go down on the knees, all around. If I got you, babe, I'll get through, babe.
All right, hi guys. Anu, do you want to say hi to the audience, the cool people watching the video right now?
Hello.
So I've shown you guys what the days looked like in Big Island so far. What I haven't shown yet is... Anu, stop it. Stop singing in the background. There were a couple nights where we had the goal to try and see the volcano on the Big Island. Didn't go so well. One of the nights it didn't work out. I just got grumpy and then we went back home.
We're at the national park for the volcano, but we didn't find it because it's too rainy. Show them the rain.
You see that? Currently, like, wait, turn the music down. We're talking back here.
What's the magic word?
Yeah, but that was rude to just turn the music up.
What's the magic word?
Please, but still that was rude for you to just...
No, what's the magic word?
And then, we tried again. We didn't get to the volcano, but this is how it turned out. Check it out. All right, guys, attempt number 3 to try. Oh my god, I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's like I can't even. Oh my god, you can't even see anything. Okay, so attempt number 3 to try and see the volcano, and of course the storm like pushed all of this smoke, so we are stopped right now because you literally cannot see like anything. But let's see if we can make something out of it.
Like some guy got out of his car, turned like and started running, and then the lights turned off.
Yeah, it just went off. Y'all, turn off every single one of your lights so that they don't know where we are.
That was kind of scary.
That was so scary.
We all gotta lock my door. We all ran through the car. I like shoved Anu out of the way. There's a bad lighting on me. We're gonna tell ghost stories. No. What?
My internet. I have like 1 bar of LTE.
Oh my god, they're coming.
Oh shit. No, they're reversing.
Poor Mac too. We didn't even tell him what was going on. We just all dipped. Yo, check this out.
Oh.
This is nuts.
Check this sunset. Bruh. Oh. What's the plan now?
Oh, you know that TikTok? Love you for infinity. Remember?
Yeah.
How was that? I should be TikTok famous already.
Yo.
Alright. So I saved the best for last. During our trip to the Big Island, we got to experience something called Surfers Healing. Surfers Healing is a non-profit organization that teaches children with autism to surf. And it was just crazy to see how many people were out there despite the rain. It looked crazy. Anyone could volunteer to help out to teach surfing, and yeah, just enjoy these shots that I got while I was there. Trip is coming to an end. Kind of sad. It was an interesting trip. A lot of rain, storm. And then one last thing, when we came back home, back to our island, We found out the storm was even worse there. So check out how flooded it was on the way home from the airport. And then I will see you guys another week. Shoots then. That was a goodbye from Anu. All right, shoots. Bye, Kobe. should I add this to the end of the vlog? What we came back home for? Why did we come back home? I don't know. For this? Yeah.